Hi, I'm Joe from the NW Security Technical Support Team, and today I'm going to be talking about around-the-clock monitoring using infrared illumination. One option of infrared illumination is using an IP camera, which features integrated infrared LEDs. By purchasing a day and night IP camera with integrated infrared LEDs, your illumination solution is already built in, just like this Axis M3105 LVE. Some benefits of using this IP camera is that it is an outdoor-ready mini-dome, meaning that this camera is rated for external conditions, be that rain or snow. This camera also delivers true HD 1080p resolution to ensure high quality surveillance. It also allows for true day-night functionality with its built-in IR cut filter to ensure full around-the-clock surveillance even in the darkest of nights. The built-in LEDs are not only efficient for power consumption, but provide up to 15 meters of night vision, which is perfect for small to medium-sized businesses for good coverage of the property. Another handy feature of this camera is that it supports power over Ethernet. This means that the camera can be powered using one cable. As you can imagine, this is a massive time saver when it comes to installing the camera. It also offers onboard storage of an SD card, allowing easy recording and playback of your footage. This camera also offers recording using motion detection to ensure you only record the footage that you need. IP cameras, just like this one, are designed so that their LEDs will deliver an IR spread that should match the camera's angle of view straight out the box. One issue with integrated IR LEDs is that they produce heat. This can contribute towards the attraction of insects, which may reside on the lens and obstruct the camera's view. And now for your tech tip. Installing this Axis M3105 LVE is extremely straightforward. Using a single Cat5 Ethernet cable that connects directly into a midspan, which is just a device used to push power over Ethernet, allows for power and data to be transferred through just one easy to install cable. The midspan can then be connected directly into your network, be that through your router to allow the camera to have network connectivity. The last thing to do is install the camera itself, which can be drilled and fitted onto the wall using its backing plate that comes with this device. You can now use a home computer or laptop that's on the same network to connect to the camera and begin configuration. This is where we can use a handy free piece of software called the Axis IP utility. This will allow us to scan the network for Axis IP devices, allowing us to find the camera that you just installed. This is where we are prompted to configure the camera, firstly asking for a password. Make sure to use a strong password when configuring, as you can never be too careful. Once successfully assigned, you'll then be asked to sign into your device for the first time using your username and password. Remember, Axis's default username is always root. Now you've signed in, you'll reach the setup wizard, which will allow you to configure the camera to your required specifications. This will even allow you to enter a static IP address to ensure that your camera always comes back to the same IP even after power is lost. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching. If you've got any more questions, then please contact myself or the rest of the technical support team in the number below. Goodbye.